This is a brand new 2013 Volkswagen Tiguan. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Thank you for considering the Auto Barn Volkswagen of Countryside for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. We are conveniently located at 6161 Joliet Road in Countryside. We look forward to serving you.